Good morning, my dear students. Yesterday we have completed exercise 9.2. In spite of that, if you have any problem, then most welcome. You may ask at any time. Now, in exercise 9.3, you will read geometric progression. Geometric progression, a sequence is said to be geometric progression if the ratio of any terms to its preceding terms except first one is constant. समझ में आया बाबू? जैसे सपोज आप ऐसे बोले a1 a2 a3 dot 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 a n are the terms of the given sequence. Now find the ratio of a2 by a1, a3 by a2, a4 by a3 and so on. If the ratio of a2 by a1 is equal to a3 by a2 is equal to a4 by a3 and so on, then the given sequence is said to be geometric progression. For example, देखो ये एग्जाम्पल है बेटा 2 2 4 8 16 32. Now find the ratio of a1, मतलब this one is a1, this one is a2, this one is a3, a4, a5. Now divide a2 by a1. a2 को a1 से डिवाइड करो तो क्या आ जाएगा? a2 को a1 से डिवाइड करेंगे, बोलिए क्या हो जाएगा? 4 by 2 2 आ जाएगा. डिवाइड 8 by 4 2 आएगा. 16 by 8 2 आएगा. 32 by 8 2 आएगा. तो इसमें क्या होगा बेटा? ये रेशियो सबका 2 आ रहा है. a2 by a1 का भी रेशियो 2, a3 by a2 का भी रेशियो 2, a4 by a3 का भी रेशियो 2 and so on. That's why this sequence is an AP. क्योंकि जो डिवाइड करने पर आ रहा है उसको स्मॉल r से इंडिकेट करते हैं, उसको कॉमन रेशियो बोलते हैं. सेकेंड एग्जांपल 1 1 by 2 1 by 4 1 by 8 1 by 16 एंड सो ऑन. ये क्या भाई? आप ये 1 है, इसको डिवाइड हाफ बाई 1. अगर हाफ को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे देन यू विल गेट 1 by 2. Then divide 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. Then you will get 1 by 2. Divide 1 by 8 by 1 by 4. Then you will get 1 by 2. Similarly, we get the ratio as 1 by 2. है ना? We can say that the ratio of a2 by a1 is equal to the ratio of a3 by a2 is equal to the ratio of a4 by a3 and so on. That's why this sequence is also in AP. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3, 3 root 3, 3, 3 root 3, 9 and so on. Now divide 1 by root 3. 1 को 1 by root से डिवाइड करेंगे तो we will get root 3. Now divide root 3 by 1, then root 3, then divide 3 by root 3, then again root 3, then divide 3 root 3 by 3, then again root 3, then divide 9 by 3 root 3, then we get root 3. Therefore, the ratios of a2 by a1, a3 by a2, a4 by a3 and so on are same as root 3. So, this sequence is also an example of GP. 0.1, 0.01, 0.001, 0.0001 and so on. Divide 0.01 by 0.1, then you will get 1 by 10. Divide 0.001 by 0.01, then you will get again 1 by 10. Divide 0.0001 by 0.001, then again you will get 1 by 10. तो इसका मतलब क्या हो? The ratio of, it means the ratio of a2 by a1, a3 by a2, a4 by a3 and so on are same as 1 by 2. That's why this is also an example of geometric progression. अब आइए जनरल टर्म ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन या nth टर्म ऑफ ज्योमेट्रिक प्रोग्रेशन. लेट a be the first term and r the common ratio of a geometric progression. Either that is AP, arithmetic progression, or geometric progression. First term is denoted by A and the common ratio of geometric progression is denoted by small r. In general, a general in general, a geometric sequence like ar square, ar cube, dot dot dot, a r to the power n minus 1, a r to the power n, and so on. Means in another we can say that okay, every next term is obtained by multiplying a constant number. जैसे a में मैंने r से मल्टीप्लाई किया, then we have obtained ar, then again multiply by r to get ar square, then again multiply by r in ar square, then we will get ar cube, and so on. So these terms are in GP. Formula for the general term of a geometric progression is, आप देखो nth क्या है, nth term of GP, इसको बोलते हैं nth term और जनरल टर्म इज इक्वल टू a r to the power n minus 1. ये nth टर्म है. यहाँ देखो फर्स्ट टर्म इज a, then r to the power 0, second term is ar, then power is power of r is 1, third term is ar square, term is third, power is 2 of r, term is fourth, power is 3. Means nth, in the end, to find the nth term, the power of n will be r to the power n minus 1, means 1 less than the term where a small n belongs to natural number, counting numbers. Alternatively, a1 is denoted by a, a2 by a1 small r, a3 by a2 small r means common ratio, a4 by a3 is equal to r. What does it mean? Means ratio of a2 1 by a1 is equal to ratio a3 by a2 is equal to ratio a4 by a3 is equal to ratio a5 by a4 is equal to ratio of a6 by a5 and so on, है ना. तो इन सब का रेशियो सेम होता है, तो हम क्या बोल देते हैं उसको, द गिवन टर्म्स आर इन जीपी. अब एक आया nth टर्म ऑफ जीपी फ्रॉम द एंड. भाई आप फर्स्ट से तो ये हो गया, फर्स्ट ए हो गया, सेकंड ए आर स्क्वायर एंड सो ऑन. अगर सपोज लास्ट से निकालना है आपको द nth टर्म ऑफ जीपी फ्रॉम द एंड, इफ द लास्ट टर्म इज एल, लास्ट टर्म देखो ये मेरा ए हो गया, ये ए आर स्क्वायर, ए आर क्यू, डॉट डॉट डॉट, लास्ट टर्म इज एल and the common ratio is r. If you divide ar by a, then you will get common ratio r. Then starting with the last term and working towards beginning, we see that the sequence is GP. With a is equal to l and common ratio is equal to 1 by r. ar square, ar cube, dot 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 1 is equal to l. तो इसमें करेंगे क्या बाबू, अगर मुझे nth टर्म फ्रॉम द एंड निकालना है तो आप इसको, जैसे इसको मैं फर्स्ट टर्म कंसीडर करो, है ना, और इधर से क्या कर दो एंड वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स द बिगनिंग, और इधर बिगनिंग की तरफ काम करना शुरू कर दो. तो देन ये क्या होगा, लास्ट टर्म विल बी ए, तो इन प्लेस ए राइट डाउन एल, एंड if the common ratio from the beginning is r, then common ratio from the end will be 1 by r and power will be the same. So the nth term from the end will be l into 1 by r to the power n minus 1. Properties of geometric progression. If all the terms of a geometric progression are multiplied or divided by same non-zero constant, then the resulting terms also form a GP with the same common ratio. समझ रहे हो बाबू? If all the terms of a GP are multiplied or divided, जैसे मैंने आपको एक एक, ये मैंने प्रॉपर्टी 1 है, तो प्रॉपर्टी 1 का एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको यहाँ दे रहा हूँ. देखो बेटा, ये एक मैंने GP का एग्जाम्पल लिया, 2, 4, 8, 16 एंड सो ऑन आर इन GP. तो वी मल्टीप्लाई ईच टर्म ऑफ इक्वेशन 1. अगर मैंने इस सीक्वेंस में 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, 6, 12, 24, 48 एंड सो ऑन. तो नाउ डिवाइड 12 बाई 6 2, 24 बाई 12 2, 48 by 24, then we are getting the same common ratio. So this sequence is also an AP. If we divide the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16 by 2, so we get 2 divided by 2, 1, 4 divided by 2, 2, 8 divided by 2, 4, 16 divided by 2, 8, and so on. Now consider this 1, 2, 4, 8. This is the sequence in GP. So divide 2 by 1, 2, 4 by 2, 2, 8 by 4, 2. So this is also an GP. तो मैंने क्या कहा था, if all the terms of a GP are multiplied or divided by a constant by the same number by a constant non-zero, then the resulting, these are the resulting sequence, है ना. तो the resulting sequences are in GP. Number third, the reciprocal. अब second property आई, the reciprocal of the terms of GP. Form GP. Suppose a GP is given and you write the reciprocal of the given terms of the GP, then the resulting sequence is also in GP. जैसे आपका ये आया, आप यहाँ देखोगे, यहाँ था, ये क्या था मेरा 2 है, 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Now write the reciprocals of these terms. ये क्या आ जाएगा 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16 and so on are also in GP. ये भी GP में. अब क्या हो गया, तो भाई अब चेक करें, हमने तो रेसिप्रोकल लिख दिया, whether they are in GP or not. तो डिवाइड 1 by 2 by 1 by 4 by 1 by 2. अगर 1 by 2 को, सॉरी 1 by 4 को 1 by 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 1 by 2 आएगा. डिवाइड 1 by 8 by 1 by 4, then 1 by 2 again. Divide 1 by 16 by 1 by 8, 1 by 2. Now the common ratio is the same. That's why if we write the reciprocals of the terms of a given GP, then resulting sequence is also in GP. Now third I have done, if each term of a GP is raised to the same power, then resulting sequence is also a GP. हुआ क्या, जैसे आपका मैं बार बार उसी एग्जाम्पल को ले रहा हूँ, 2, 4, 8, 16 dot 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 are in GP. So if we raised power 2, मैंने इन सब की पावर क्या कर दी, 2 लगा दी, तो बेटा यहाँ क्या कर दें, रेज्ड पावर 2. तो ये क्या है, 2 to the power 2, 4 to the power 2, 8 to the power 2, 6 to the power 2 and so on. Now solve it. You will get 2 to the power 2, 4, 4 to the power 2, 16, 8 to the power 2, 64, 16 to the power 2 are also in GP. अब आप क्या करेंगे, अब आप देखो, ये divide 16 by 4, you will get 4. Divide 64 by 16, you will get 4. Divide 256 by 64, you will get 4 and so on. That's why the common ratio is the same. तो इसका मतलब आपने क्या किया, पावर 2 लगा दी, पावर 2 लगाने पर जो सीक्वेंस मिली आपको, that is also in GP. फिर आया बेटा, in a definite GP means in a definite GP the product of the terms equidistant from the beginning and end is always same and is equal to the product of the first and last term. देखो आप यहाँ लो, जैसे यहाँ पर ये 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 24 है, मैंने फर्स्ट और लास्ट का मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया, 2 into 64, 128 आया. अब यहाँ से सेकेंड टर्म फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग एंड सेकेंड लास्ट टर्म, second term from the beginning and second last term, multiply 4 and 32, you will again get 128. Now third term from the beginning and third term from the end, तो 8 into 16 again you are getting 128. तो इसका मतलब हुआ कि in a definite GP the product of the terms equidistant from the beginning and end is always same and is equal to the product of the first and last. Next, 3 non-zero numbers ABC are in GP if and only if. This is the notation of if and only if. B square is equal to AC and B is called the geometrical mean of A and B. ये जो B हुआ ना, ABC प्रैक्टिकल मीन बोलता हूँ मैं, है ना। If the term of a given GP are chosen at regular interval, then the new sequence also for GP. ठीक है। Now today you will learn beta all these properties of GP, definition of GP, nth term of GP and nth term from the end of the GP. Tomorrow we will solve examples and exercise 9.3. Thank you very much.